Salida's trails are a gateway to nature's wonders, providing awe-inspiring experiences for hundreds of thousands of hikers, bikers, and trail runners every year. But these trails need great care to hold up under such heavy use. In partnership with land managers and dedicated volunteers, our trail crew ensures that Salida's trails remain sustainable and enjoyable.
Today we had about 25 volunteers out doing some maintenance on the Sunup Trail, really focusing on trying to clear out some drains and help that trail be a little bit more sustainable. A really important thing with trail maintenance is to give the water a place that it can shed off the trail so it doesn't channel down the trail and cut some deep ruts in it.
Salida Mountain Trails is committed to preserving the natural beauty of Salida while providing exceptional trail experiences. Learn more and get involved at SalidaMountainTrails.org.